Ever feel like you're doing all the right math with your money, but it just isn't working? You have the spreadsheets, you know the rules, but your bank account still isn't where you want it to be. Here's the truth most gurus won't tell you. Personal finance isn't just about numbers. It's about psychology. It's about habits. It's about you. In fact, financial success is 80% behavior and only 20% head knowledge. That's exactly why we created Common Sense. We're cutting through the jargon and the stuffy lectures to give you the practical, no-nonsense strategies you need to actually change your life. And leading the charge is our guide, Common Sense Cal. Cal represents that inner financial wisdom we all have. He's the voice of reason when things get a little wild. He's here to remind us that smart money moves don't have to be complicated. Because let's be honest, sometimes we're all a bit like Impulse Ivan, chasing the latest trend, or maybe we're more like Anxious Abby, too scared to move at all. And then there's Steady Sarah. She's doing okay, but she's ready to do great. On this channel, Cal and I will help you navigate those impulses and anxieties. We'll show you how to build a budget that actually works, pay off debt faster, and start investing for your future, even if you're starting from zero. If you're ready to stop stressing about money and start mastering it with simple, actionable advice, hit that subscribe button and join the Common Sense family. We're going to help you make your money make sense. See you in the next video.